Hello everyone, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. And this chapter you have already studied in class 8. So let's start with the definition of coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is a system in which the position of points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. What is this means? In this system, the position of a point is described in a plane. एक प्लेन में कोई भी पॉइंट है या कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है तो उसकी क्या लोकेशन है, तो दिस सिस्टम इज डिस्क्राइब कि उसकी लोकेशन क्या है. एंड दिस सिस्टम इज गिवन बाय द ग्रेट फ्रेंच मैथमेटिशियन रेने डिस्कार्ट. So this system is known as Cartesian system also. This system is known as Cartesian system also. Now, what is ordered pair? Ordered pair is a specific pair of numbers with A at first place and B at second place. Here, the specific pair of numbers with A at first place and B at second place means we can write 3, 4 and 7, 9, anything we can write, but this AB is not equals to BA. Means the numbers 3 and 4, these coordinates, the number 3, 4 is not equals to 4, 3. We cannot write like this. So this is the ordered pair of numbers. Now to locate a point in a plane, we need two lines. One is horizontal line and another one is vertical line. So remember, this horizontal line is called X, O, X dash, and this vertical line Y, O, Y dash. Means this is the X axis and this line, this vertical line is the Y axis. And these lines, when we intersect these two lines, X axis and Y axis, these intersect at point O, that is called the origin, and the coordinates of the origin is 0, 0. This you have studied in class 8 also. Now this horizontal line is X axis and this vertical line is Y axis, and by intersecting these two lines we got the Cartesian plane. This is called the Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane. And when these two lines intersect, then we got 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant. We have to start from here only. This is the first quadrant and go anti-clockwise. This one is the second quadrant, this one is the third quadrant, and this one is the fourth quadrant. Now, the right hand side we will write the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, and left hand side we are writing the negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. So this is the positive x-axis, right hand side, and on the left hand side we have the negative x-axis. Now upper side we have positive y-axis and the lower side we have negative y-axis. So positive numbers we are writing on the upper side and negative numbers we are writing on the lower side. I think this all of you have known. Now the next point is the sign of the quadrants. The sign of the first quadrant will be plus plus. Why it is plus plus? Because when we write the numbers in ordered pair, means 0, 0. This is an ordered pair. When we write the number in ordered pair means 1 and 2. So this one shows x coordinate and this 2 shows y coordinate. This is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate. So x coordinate, so we will see the x axis, the positive, and y axis positive. So sign of first quadrant is plus plus. Then the sign of second quadrant, here we have x, negative x axis, and here we have positive y axis. So negative and positive. First, at the first place, we have to write the sign of x-axis and then the sign of y-axis. Now the sign of third quadrant, x-axis negative x and here negative y. So the sign of third quadrant is minus minus. And now the fourth quadrant, the last one, here we have positive x-axis and negative y-axis. X is positive, so positive and negative. So these are the sign of the quadrant. Plus plus first quadrant, minus plus second quadrant, minus minus third quadrant and plus minus fourth quadrant. Now the next point, the distance of a point from y-axis is called the x-coordinate. Means this is our y-axis and the distance of a point from the y-axis, मतलब y-axis से हम यहाँ इधर आगे distance ये आगे बढ़े. So the distance of a point from y-axis is known as x-coordinate and the distance of a point from x-axis, ये x-axis है आपका, यहाँ से अगर आप कोई point locate करते हो यहाँ पर इस जगह पर, तो ये जो distance from the x-axis है, that is called the y-coordinate. Distance of a point from the x-axis is called the y-coordinate. If we have a ordered pair, 2, 3, so what is this means? This 2 is x-coordinate and this 3 is y-coordinate. So where we locate this? X-coordinate means here we have 2 and 3, positive 3. So here we have positive 3. So 2 and 3 we locate here. So what is this x-coordinate? X-coordinate is यहाँ से 0 से distance आपका कितना है 2. Means ये जो y-axis है, the distance of a point from the y-axis, this is called the x-coordinate and the distance of a point from x-axis, यहाँ से हम ऊपर गए 3 points because we have here 3. तो यहाँ से हम x-axis से हम ऊपर गए 3 points. Means the distance of a point from x-axis is known as y-coordinate. So this x-coordinate, the another name of this x-coordinate is abscissa and another name of y-coordinate is ordinate. The y-coordinate is called ordinate also and the x-coordinate it is called abscissa also. X-coordinate is called abscissa and y-coordinate is called ordinate. And what is this x-coordinate? The distance of a point from y-axis is called x-coordinate. And what is this y-coordinate? The distance of a point from x-axis is called the ordinate or y-coordinate. I think all have understood this thing. Now coordinate of a point on x-axis. अगर x-axis के ऊपर हमारे पास में एक point है, like यहाँ पे हमारे पास में एक point है, तो what will be the coordinate of this? Coordinate of this will be 3 and 0. क्योंकि इसमें x यहाँ से x के कितने points हैं? 3 points हैं और y में ये ऊपर गया ही नहीं, तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है? 3, 0. y coordinate यहाँ पे 0 आएगा. और if we have a point here, तो what will be the coordinate of these points? तो यहाँ पे आपका x coordinate क्या है? 0, क्योंकि ये 0 पे आया हुआ है point. तो ये आपका आएगा 0 and y coordinate is -2. So the coordinate of this point is 0 and -2. So the coordinate of a point on x-axis, अगर x-axis पे आपके पास में कोई point है, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव x-axis है चाहे वो नेगेटिव x-axis है, अगर x कोऑर्डिनेट पे आपका कोई point है तो उसकी कोऑर्डिनेट्स आप x-axis पे आपका कोई point है तो उसकी कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे आपके x0. And if you have a point on y-axis, then the coordinates will be 0y. Now this is the question number 2 of exercise 3.2. In this question you have to find out the coordinates of all the given points: point B, point C, point D, point E, G, H, L, M, etc. So now we will start from point B. Now coordinates of point B are: first of all you have to check out x coordinate, means x axis. So this dotted line, just see, this is going from point B. It is joined on x axis on -5 and on the y axis on +2. So the coordinates of B are -5 and +2. Now next one, point C. Point C, just look out. First you will see the x coordinate. The x coordinate is this one, 5, and y coordinate is -5 here. So 5 and -5 are coordinate of point C. Now point D, first of all just check out x coordinate. X coordinate 6 and y coordinate is +2. So coordinates of D are 6 and 2. Then next one, H. Coordinates of H are, just see, first of all x coordinate is -5 and y coordinate, just see this dotted line, -3. So -5 and -3. Then next one, I am explaining point L. Here it is, point L. Now point L, first of all you have to just check out x coordinate. So x, just see, this L is joined on point O, means 0, and y coordinate is 5. So the coordinates of L are 0 and 5. Now same coordinates of M. This one, coordinate of M. Coordinates of M are, just first of all see x coordinate, it is -3, and y coordinate, अब ये -3 से कहीं पर भी ऊपर नीचे y पे नहीं गया, m is on the x axis, so the y coordinate will be 0. So the coordinates of m are -3 and 0. So in this point L, this one, this point L, it is lie on y axis, so the coordinate will be 0 and 5, means x axis, यहाँ x coordinate will be 0 here. And this point M, this is lying on x axis, so x coordinate will be -3 and y coordinate will be 0. So when the point is lying on x axis, the y coordinate will be 0, and when the point is lying on y axis, so the x coordinate will be 0. So like this you will solve all this. Now next one, this is your question number, this was your question number 2. Now come to the question number 1. Question number 1, first point, what is the name of horizontal and vertical line? What is the name of horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So the horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. I have written the answer below, but you can write the answer in short also, x-axis and y-axis. Horizontal line, x-axis, vertical line, y-axis. Second point, what is the name of each part of the plane? Each part of the plane formed by these two lines. When you join these two, when we intersect these two lines, so this is the Cartesian plane we got, and each part, this part, this part, this part and this part, each part is called the quadrant. quadrant, RANT. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. I have written the answer here, you can see here. So in short you will write. Now part number 3, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Where these two lines intersect. These two lines intersect at point O, that is called origin. So this was your exercise 3.2. Now I have given some definitions in the PDF. Just copy down the definitions, learn it, and exercise 3.2 and 3.3 both we will do together in the next class. And 3.1 I have just given the solution. You have to read out the 3.1. No need to solve 3.1 in the copy. Thank you.